Hey everyone, welcome back to Cryptomania. I'm Josh, your go-to guy for the latest updates on everything happening in the world of XRP. Today is April 29th, 2025, and we've got some major news shaking up the XRP community. A story that could significantly alter the landscape for crypto investors, traders, and institutions alike. Let's dive right in. XRP is back in the headlines with a vengeance, rallying hard and testing new monthly highs. So just what is fueling this latest surge? The answer is pretty clear. ETF fever is sweeping through the XRP ecosystem. Over the past week, XRP has powered its way up to around $234, marking a strong 7% spike just in the last 24 hours. Trading volumes are going through the roof, rising more than 130%, signaling not just retail enthusiasm, but a massive wave of institutional demand as well. The immediate catalyst is the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's approval for ProShares to launch 3 new XRP futures-based exchange-traded funds on April 30th. These ETFs are a big deal for several reasons. ProShares is introducing an Ultra XRP ETF, which gives investors 2x leveraged exposure, essentially doubling your daily gains if the price moves up. On the flip side, they're also rolling out a Short XRP ETF and an Ultra Short XRP ETF, designed for those who want to profit from price declines. In a nutshell, whether you're bullish or bearish on XRP, there's now a tailor-made product for you to express your view, all without ever directly holding the asset itself. The impact of these ETFs can't be overstated. The SEC taking a hands-off approach and allowing these funds to move forward marks a significant shift in the regulatory climate. After years of uncertainty, especially after Ripple's historic legal battle with the SEC, this approval sends a clear message that XRP is ready for mainstream investment products. It's worth noting that this comes right on the heels of Tucrium's XRP ETF, the first in the US, which set records with more than $5 million in trading volume on launch day just a few weeks ago. But the ETF story doesn't stop there. The CME Group, one of the largest derivatives exchanges in the world, is gearing up to launch XRP futures alongside powerhouses like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. That's further evidence that the big institutions are taking XRP seriously, and this opens the floodgates for more mainstream adoption and liquidity. All this activity was made possible by Ripple's recent victory in their drawn-out court battle with the SEC. In March, the court officially clarified XRP's regulatory status, sweeping away years of doubt and unlocking a new era of growth and innovation for the XRP ecosystem. Ripple didn't waste any time. They snapped up Hidden Road, a major institutional brokerage trading more than $3 trillion each year, and will now use the XRP ledger for lightning-fast settlements. We're talking cutting settlement times from 24 hours to just 3 to 5 seconds. So, where's XRP heading next? Analysts are pointing to the $2.40 and $2.60 levels as the immediate hurdles. If bullish momentum continues and these breakouts hold, XRP could be eyeing even bigger targets in the months ahead. Some predictions say $3.63 is within reach in the near term, with longer-term targets of $5 to even $10 being discussed if spot ETFs are approved and institutional adoption deepens. What about the risks? As with any rapidly rising asset, there are caution flags, market volatility, macroeconomic factors, and the fact that spot ETFs, which could unlock even greater demand, are still in the application process. Major asset managers like Grayscale are waiting for the SEC's green light for a spot XRP ETF, with a key decision due by May 22nd. If that's approved, it could supercharge demand and further solidify XRP's role as a top-tier digital asset. Another trend worth watching is that more experts are sounding bullish. Some are even going as far as to say that holding XRP alone could be enough for investors to make it, underlining the growing optimism for significant price appreciation and ongoing network adoption. All in all, this is a massive moment for XRP and its global community. The ETF launches, Ripple's expansion, and regulatory clarity are forming the perfect storm for XRP's next chapter. What do you think, Cryptomania family? Are you bullish on the ETF era for XRP? Do you think we'll see $5, $10, or even higher before the year is out? Drop your predictions and thoughts in the comments. I love reading what you all have to say. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Cryptomania, Share this update with your fellow XRP enthusiasts, and turn on notifications so you never miss another market-moving headline. This is Josh, signing off. Stay smart, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.